Hey YouTube, it's Sean. Sorry I haven't seen you in a while, folks. Feeling a lot better. Gonna start making videos. Alright? Starting with this one. It's, what is it? 7 a.m.? Yeah. Just sitting down to have a little breakfast. Don't usually eat breakfast, but I got hungry, so this is what we're having. I'll show you. Having curly fries, fried eggs with cheese on top. Hey. Alright, so doing a lot better. Doing a lot better. Biggest problem now is they're thinking I have a neuropathy in my feet and legs. So, gonna have some electrical tests on my nerves or something. I don't know what they're gonna do. So, that's not gonna be too much fun, but yeah, we're doing all right. Hope y'all are doing all right. Today's Saturday, the 18th. I'm gonna post this video today, so I didn't need to tell you it's Saturday the 18th. I think I'm gonna post this video today. Hope you guys are doing good. I've been watching all your videos. Every single person that I subscribe to everybody that I'm subscribed, or that is subscribed to me, and so they can pour in. Been watching them. Alright, you guys take care of yourselves, and I love you all. Bye-bye. Gonna eat my food now. Take care.